Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add BSC to MetaMask. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask, first tap open your MetaMask application. Make sure that you're logged into your wallet. Now, in order to add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. Tap Settings from the expanded menu, and now from the Settings menu, tap on Networks. Tap on Add Network from the Networks tab, and now tap on Custom Networks at the top right. Now, we can manually add the Binance Smart Chain. There are actually two networks that we can add. The first is the mainnet or the testnet. The mainnet is one that you'll most likely need to add, and the testnet is essentially a test environment for the Binance chain. Now, simply go ahead and type in the information needed in the text boxes. In the network name, type in Smart Chain, where it says RPC URL. Type in this information right here, where it says chain ID, type in 56. In the symbol text box, type in BNB in block letters. Now, in the last text box, type in the URL https://bsscan.com. And finally, after everything's typed in, tap on Add. Make sure that you enter the same information as I've entered in the text boxes. And once you tap on Add, you'll be able to add BSC on a MetaMask. Tap on Got It, and you'll notice that your network is automatically set to Smart Chain, as you can see it on the display at the very top. That is how you can successfully add Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.